This is Alan Pratt with Hawkeye Consulting Advisors. I'm here today to talk to you about drum buffer rope. So the idea behind drum buffer rope is to organize and control the production process in your manufacturing plant most often. So the idea behind the drum of drum buffer rope is to set the pace, set the drum beat. So if you're expected to produce at a set of either units or dollars per day or per week, that's your goal. That's the drum beat. So then you establish, you utilize, you mobilize your resources and have your workforce prepared to achieve that rate of output. The buffer is meant to protect your bottleneck resource from running out of material, running out of work. You never want that to happen. If you have customer demand that is more than what a resource will do, that's the bottleneck. At least a constraint resource, and you want to make sure that it has enough work to keep busy as long as there's customer demand beyond your capability to produce. So have buffer inventory in front of your bottleneck resource. Usually it's in terms of days, 2 days, 3 days, a week, whatever is the right amount depending on your particular situation. Now you may also need a buffer in the shipping area. I've worked with companies that fed big box retailers. They don't ever want to be late. They don't want you to ever be out of inventory. And so when they give you an order, and they don't tell you often what they want to order, but they expect everything from the catalog to be available, then you may have to have some of everything in the catalog, minimum inventory, but be ready when you're in that situation. If you've taken on Walmart for the first time, be ready. They'll let you have it. Auto suppliers can also be found in this type of situation. So have a buffer, and you may have to have a shipping buffer. I worked with a supplier for John Deere that was always complaining about the deliveries to their production, their assembly line, and so we adjusted our shipping buffer by 1 day so that we shipped 1 day earlier than we thought we needed to. Made the problem go away. We didn't have extra inventory, but we worked 1 day in advance of what we thought we had to work because we knew what was right, but in the end it was wrong. And so that made the problem go away without upsetting everyone else in the whole organization. Then the last step is the rope. So the idea is to tie together shipping, what gets produced and out the door so that it gets invoiced, tie that with the material that's coming into the process. So what can happen with an organization is once they figure out how to do what they should be doing, they can build up extra inventory within the process. So if you have that happening, and you probably do, you have extra work in process within the process, the idea what you have to do is cut off inventory coming in and make sure that it's balanced to what goes out the door so that you don't have extra inventory in the process. This has been Alan Pratt with Hawkeye Consulting Advisors. We turn problems into profits.